Yes. Welcome to Digital Rakesh channel, guys. So, guys, today we discuss topic about that how we can upload the videos on YouTube channel with the proper monetization option. So, guys, how we can upload the video? So, what is the monetization rules onto the YouTube channel? To we can discuss. First of all, any video before uploading channel, first of all make the thumbnail with the proper size 1280 by 720 by using Canva option. When uploading any video, so guys, we can selecting for upload video option. In this upload video, what are the video will be, you can make it from the recording section, just drag and drop. Is a one simple option. Just we can go to the drag and drop option. So just 1 second. So I'm upload the video. Just give me the proper title. Next, what are the title you given? Add onto the description. Next, here you can give by hashtags. So what is the hashtag? I will tell you. That is the mainly focused by the your targeted keywords. Next one, add your thumbnail. So where exact your thumbnail will be downloaded here, just add your thumbnail option. Next one, your playlist. So every video, why we can using playlist option? Playlist main reason, if you promoting one keyword with a multiple keyword option will given by the particular playlist. That is called, we can promote a number of keywords. You can see here, this video belongs to for digital marketing. So I can add in for all digital marketing playlist. Why I'm adding for, this is a playlisting for, I can targeting the my YouTube channel subscribers purpose. Next one, what is your Google My Business? So we can creating for new playlist. Already you have playlist will be there. Add the playlist option. No need to add the new playlist if already exists. Related keywords must and should add on your particular option. So this toolbar will be helping for the toolbar, nothing but some people using for TubeBuddy, some people using for Videki toolbar to suggest a keyword purpose. To suggest the keyword purpose. So here in this keyword adding, depend on your title, we can add the playlist on your keywords. So any keyword missing, they give the best score will be here. The best score out of 50, the best score is 40. Out of 100, the best score will be 67 plus. So when coming to green, that will be happen, you are successful at the keywords. So here, Google Maps, Google My Business, and so you can verify the keyword. After that, recording date. Now, here, video language, license, allow embedding, your category, this all will be compulsory. Here, I have to disable this option, show likes and dislike feature. So every video. Next one, your monetization. The monetization will be very, very important. Here, monetization will be all countries. Here, the very important option will be turn on content ID matching. So what is that? If anybody enable this feature, if anybody copy your video as it is they upload other YouTube channel, immediately they get in the strike option. The ownership global, the asset type will be three type will be showing web, TV episode, movie. This will be web. After this one, we can add your assistant will be title. Next, the checking for complete role. Click for next option. Here, what is your standard video? Any violation, inappropriate, adult content, harmful, decreation, sensitive, anything will be there, you can accept it. These are the future. If not there, none of the above. Here, they will be accepted by the submit rating option. We can click the submit rating option. We can go to next button. This is the complete important by the ad suitability purpose. The finally check the complete information, no issues found. They decide they enable by your monetization ads. Here, any case you will be facing some problem immediately. You are not eligible from ads. They disable from the monetization the particular video, not for all channel videos, only for the particular video. Here, I'm adding for video for most recent and subscribe option, playlist option. I can adding for here. Next, will adding for subscribe option. End screen is important. In this case, we can add the playlist, video, and subscribe button. Cards will be adding five. We can add video, playlist. Any future will be accepted. So most of the people adding by the playlist, we can watch the more video purpose. So that is the reason I'm adding for related video. We can add in your playlist method. People will be watching more videos and getting for more views on the particular channel videos. Here, don't forget five things. Your title, description, tags relevant. The tags will be relevant from your title and description. Second thing will be Monday enable, date enable, playlist, and your ad suitability. Next, your proper title objection and content enablement. Next, we can go to the checking for your copyright issues. Before updating video or upload the video on YouTube channel, the first of all check copyright issue and ad suitability. The suitable for ads based on your rating. No issues found. When is final done, the video upload by the unlisted option. Don't go with the direct member only. Member only is nothing but giant persons. But this video will be only for upload by the unlisted. Unlisted, but when you share the link, people can watch your video. If you can't share the link, they can't watch your video. So that is called we can post unlisted. Private Athema, you can only watch the video. So first unlisted video, check the complete information. Finally, publish the video after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, or after schedule your post also. Suppose 7:39 is, we can next post will be 7:45 is the best time. So what we can do from schedule, select the date, and what is the 7:45 p.m. I am selecting time. Why? Because every 50 minutes you can schedule. 7:35, not like that, they will not suitable. 7:45 p.m. and schedule it from the video. Exactly 7:45, the video will be announced. I'm coming to with the premiere option. That mean by YouTube live video with the premiere future. You can chart them for any video will be live in time. People will be any questions. So these are the future we can suitable from the things. Next one, we can start this link shared to the any customer. They can see, but they can't view the video. I'll go with incognito window for checking purpose. They can't see the video. Why? Because the premiere will be time left by the 4 minutes along with the live option. This is a future will be given to upload the video. Don't forget proper title, proper description, tags, playlist, ad date, and suitability ads, submit rating, and proper end screen, proper cards. End screen will be 4, cards will be 5. In this, more important is called your title, description, tag, and playlist. How many keyword you can add the playlist? There will be effect to getting more views based on the playlist option. Follow this instruction, increase the views and subscribers. People like the video, definitely getting for more subscriber also. So this is a follow the condition and upload the video on YouTube channel. any question you can have the about YouTube regarding, you can ask me to feel free to ask them. I definitely will be support for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.